I'll drink this with some babe, what's the milk that I drink name called? I don't know. What's the milk that I always tell you to buy for me called? What's the milk that I always tell you to buy for me?
Milk?
Yeah.
Almond milk?
Almond. I had a whole brain fart a while ago.
Really?
Yes, really.
You couldn't remember almond milk?
I could not remember almond milk.
Oh,
okay, this is what happens when you have two kids back to back. Your brain just goes to nothingness. But anyways, Hershey's cocoa. I love. So hi guys, I wanted to do some of my fall favorite things. I know in a lot of places in the world, the leaves are falling. It's getting I can't talk. It's kind of getting chilly. So I wanted to mention some of my favorite things for fall is sweater weather, basically. So let's start off with tea. We drink tea all the time, whether it's fall, winter, summer in our household. But my favorite tea is actually peppermint, whether it be the tea bag version or the regular grass version, tea bag version or the grass version that I take home from Jamaica to the US. Love tea, and we also drink our tea with sugar or condensed milk. I am a sweet tooth girl, so I love my tea with condensed milk. And this is puka, elderberry, and what I won't even pronounce the last word because I can't pronounce it. Me not try. The elderberry. I actually get these from Amazon. You can get like a pack of 3 or 4 for like 15 bucks. And I suggest if you like teas like this, you get them in packs of 4 because they last a lot longer than when you buy 1 pack. Hubby loved these. It's his favorite tea ever. I feel like these tea, especially the puka version, are super duper strong. They're organic and it's not my fave. I don't drink it. This is hubby's favorite, but I thought I would mention it because it's great to boost your immune system, especially now with the big C going around. This is a great option for people that love elderberry and love organic strong tea. This tea is so strong that the first time I drank it, it made my head hurt, and I've never drank it since. Another tea that I have been loving is neem. I actually get neem from Jamaica and I take it up here. My grand aunt actually makes sure I have all my bush teas that I will ever need when I go to Jamaica, and neem is one of them. And I was recently reintroduced to neem because I haven't drank neem since I was a child. Okay, and when she gave it to me, we started making tea with this. I feel like this is like the little sister to Cersei. I actually like neem more than I like Cersei because I feel like the taste is not so potent with neem as far as it being so bitter, but it gives the same outcome. It cleanses your body and it boosts your immune system. So I actually really love neem over Cersei now. I never liked Cersei in the first place, but I drink it just because it's good for you, and you know, your good old Hershey's chocolate. I love this with almond milk, and the kids also love this too. So if you want to enjoy chocolate but you don't like cold milk, you can definitely use almond milk because it tastes the same way. So let's get into the more fun things. My absolute favorite body butter is my Lulus Holistic body butter, and this is super duper moisturizing. So if you have, this is how it looks. So if you have super dry skin, this is amazing. This just leaves your skin glistening and glowing. Love. And I especially love the lavender version. Like, I use this up all the time. I'm constantly repurchasing it with my own money, but I do have a coupon code, and I'll put it somewhere in this video and also in the description box. But this butter, body butter, amazing. Also the Fenty Butter Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream. This is a Fenty one by Rihanna. This is amazing. I love this. It smells amazing. And if you need a lighter body butter, like this is raw. This is raw shea butter. If you need something that's lighter than that, I would recommend this. A lot of people don't like this because it was oily, and she dropped this in the summertime, but I feel like this is going to be perfect for fall, winter, for all you dry skin girls and boys that need something that's extra moisturizing, because I have super dry skin, so I need things that are super moisturizing. So those are my favorite body butter. Another thing I love is hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid actually helps hydrate skin, and this is from the Inkilis. I actually got this from Sephora, and this have been doing wonders for my skin. It's super affordable. All Inkilis products are affordable, and I feel like they do what they're supposed to do. But love this one. Love, love, love. And definitely get you a hyaluronic acid for the fall winter time, because your skin about to be dry, especially if you live in them cold places like New York, Boston. You're gonna need some hyaluronic acid. Another thing I love is my Josie Maran. I haven't used this in so long. My Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil, and I always get the travel size version because I never end up using all of it, so it would be a waste if I get the big version. But I love this to put on my skin, whether that be my face or my body. Mix it with my body butters if I feel like I need some extra moisture. And I also love using this for massages. This is great. Amazing stuff. Let's talk about clothing. Loungewear stuff is the first thing I'm going to talk about, and this is a set from JLux label. I actually got this in the springtime. It's this beautiful blue color, which is cute. It's long pants, and it also have a top, and it's long sleeve, and this is perfect to lounge around in, and this is also perfect to wear outside. Love this. It's super soft, and it's definitely like a great version to Skims. So if you like Skims but you can't afford a price, JLux label got you covered. Amazing. These particular heels, these are some affordable version to some expensive heels, and these are actually from Shein, and they were super affordable, and they look exactly like the expensive version. I feel like these are going to be very popular because they're closed toe, and during the fall time you want to wear heels. And I also love that they're not super duper high, so they're about 3 inches, and they're strappy. You can wear them with pants, you can wear them with dresses, skirts. They'll go perfect. and those are from Shein if I didn't mention before. And then these baby right here, love this. This is from Public Desire. I actually got these in the summertime and I can't wait to wear them. These are giving vibes. Love, love, love this. I also think this is a cheaper alternative to a expensive designer shoe, but I'm not quite sure what shoe it is. Oh, and the last shoes that I showed you from Shein is the cheaper alternative to the Bottega shoes that everybody has been wearing this summer. But this, can't wait to rock these. I love the color, I love the gold detailing. It's everything. So if you watch my Shein haul, a lot of the stuff that I actually got in the Shein haul I'm gonna mention here because they're just that good. So you're gonna definitely need a nice knit sweater, chunky sweater. I love these sweater that I got because they're actually light enough for me to wear and I don't feel like I'm overheating, especially in Florida. We don't get winter like that. It just get a little bit chilly, and one minute it's chilly and then the next minute it's like sunny and hot. So if I wear this, I know I'm not going to be overheating. So love these knit sweater from Shein a lot. And then my wide leg, these are my wide leg joggers. I'll actually insert, if I can find it, still find the clips, I'll insert the video footage of me wearing these. These pants I absolutely love. These are like an elevated version of sweats. Like, I feel like you can dress these up, dress them down, and they won't look like loungewear. So these wide leg joggers are giving everything it's supposed to give and more. I absolutely love. I didn't think I was going to like the wide leg joggers, but I definitely do, because I am a scrunch ankle jogger type of girl. I actually live in sweats all the time, so this was right up my alley and I love it more than I thought I would. I was actually thinking about getting all the other colors because this is about to be my new uniform. Normally I wear sweat shorts in the summertime, and then when it comes around fall, winter time, or it starts getting cold, I like to wear sweatpants. So these about to be the new sweatpants. And then this top right here, this orange top. I feel like this top is perfect fall wear. Like, it's a full top, it has a cowl neckline. Like, I feel like this is going to be perfect to wear to Thanksgiving. It's gonna perfect to wear to brunch with the girls. It's gonna be perfect to wear like if you work a corporate job and you have like those work Christmas party or Thanksgiving parties. Like, this is going to be perfect. I got this in the orange color and I also got it in the white. I don't like showing white or light colored clothing because I realize that when I show them, it kind of like washes out and it don't pick up on camera, but you get the gist. Love, okay? The color is everything, and the color looks great on melanin. Like, this orange, yes. And I would definitely wear this orange shirt with those gray sweatpants that I just showed you, especially like for Thanksgiving. I feel like that would be a fit. You're gonna be looking well put together but still comfortable, and you can eat all you want and don't have to worry about the food baby showing. You're going to be good. So This is a plaid is what they call it. This is why I don't like showing light color stuff. So this is a plaid shirt. It's actually a beige plaid shirt. Normally during fall and winter time you see a lot of greens, a lot of blues and oranges, but I wanted to keep it neutral in the neutral family palette, and I got this plaid shirt. I love me a good oversized shirt. I don't know why I got this one in a, I think I got it in a medium. I should have got it in a large, but it fits nonetheless, and it does what I needed it to do. So you can definitely get you a plaid shirt, and you can wear your plaid shirt with a dress. You can wear it with some shorts if you want your butt to be covered, or your shorts is too short or something. Like, love the versatility of plaid shirts or oversized shirts in general. And then last but certainly not least, that shirt is from Shein also. This is from Boohoo, and this is a green, army green crop top, and I love this. I'm not a big crop top girl, but once I get a crop top that flatter my body shape, it's everything. So those are my favorite things for fall, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment some of your favorite fall things in the comment section. I would love for you guys to refer me to some Bath and Body Works plugins and some candles. So comment them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. What did you say? What's that?
Elephants are falling on the rock.
Elephants are falling on the rock. Okay, Papa.
Elephants are falling on the rock.
Falling on the rock.